hakuosha nao nindi
wanta wa mwiwuru ni wa hamasaki wejima anawunyinki dichi yenu mwakerishi atumbanji munyunza yejima mwaka yijimiki mwijina da tata ni da mwana ni da spiritu wajira mwaka itanyishi kulonda ahembi yuma yejima yina yilejenu tiyenu aminidi nenu mafuku ejima ni kwa kakomina nyaka
washimwana mazo wakumisha
Disho churi kwa shani tata kuna tata disho kwa tata disho mchido uri amwe na wo tata kuna
demu mwana
disho chumo disho kwa tata nuko kuri kwa shikubambura ame tata churi ngani cho bai tata chukale ancho churi imo ano tata uri mchechu tata mchechu but just mkanda was something to go and influence people really hook people hooking them so that they go to my congregation tata that's wrong, that's a sin, tata sin. You go there, do this kwanda en muriomu tanshi the name that church or even his church call you that one it's a church or church in a church muriomu church kuluwa my church that's a great sin bambram that do I'm coming that just give time this tata eta tanshako so that muntu amwende nukumwana tata okutangisha chei whatever or just invite people come to my church there they will see how it is but let that go start condemning that is a great sin that don't do that God that is there we don't do like that this chumachalwa chukwa tata you have touched about Mary that's Catholic tata kuna tata let's condemn tata personal right tata you condemn tata muntu what person what that we are people. Whether can be bishop, can be whoever, can be
everyone is a sinner, man.
That is a person. But that's not intent to that one. That prayer of Mary. You know that Mary, I think that's a Catholic Mary. Mary that already wa mahiti lili wa muriena just went through mwivu murindi kumusema tata 9 to 10 months that kuna mfunza tata kuna kwa hana masenta tano tata she is a blessed woman that one tata this one tata we should not condemn when people are praying kuna kuri Mary tata about Mary that is there then we say no why people are praying about for Mary whatever no me tata Bible tata the whole Bible tata it's there if we talk about that issue Mary tata we shall sit again we talk about tata don't condemn after that I told them that Catholic that is a first church bambura me that some that this that another that is that out that they just Protestant. Catholic Church is the first church where now even Mary is pronounced, not any other church. But it's there, Bible is there. You should not let's forget about that was a prayer. That was a prayer. That sort of prayer they're praying that. Let's not because we're mentioning about Mary. Let's look at individual person. What did they wrong? So don't bring that one into church. It is not that.
Nasagirita manasagiriri hamazuri mnaoshi ninama hukumisha ngo shangana mu mukanda wa Mateo chapter 15 mudin sangu yalema mwante swade na kumwinka nyilonga anakumwinka nyilonga yawachu manshi ndina mulonga datu manshi twei yalemesha nga chakuchana chane twakulumpuko ilanga mwante suna kuyakula chedi mulonga dini neno himwalemesha nga izo danzambuko mwana sangu chidi hari yuma ingahi yedi kudi chaku cha wanchu kudini chaku cha mkanda wanyi wanzambi twatera kutonda chidi mkanda wanyi wanzambi dichi kudi yuma iko aidu muipompero ni mu mission na oshanga ba videos na ila mavulu kudi chaku chinigo yenka kuda kwetwa akwelera kuna na inderi na wa muntu na mkwelere mwanta Yesu atera ko mushimga kudakurumja chipompero umazo kala mbible wanyi mulonga mbible tunawani chaingana kutangisha unsango wa achumbanje yadinga kurumja ipompero kwa hiyo Filipu mu chapter 8 wadinga mbokushimna sango wa chakwelere wanchu kuna ku Samaria wayishimikiri hadinga mkurumpa chipompero icho insango trisha kama chena kuikonkolola mulonga ichagu chamo mukanda na kanishi muntu na mkwelere Kristo Yesu kubura kumujimika kudi muko akuwelerako aneteje muka Kristo duwejima anaburu kuiteja mukamama ilanga muntu weyala wakwelera mwanta Yesu nacho shimika mkwao hero kudi chipompero wanyi chinateka nmwanyi dichikudi yuma idimu ipompelo inzamba akamanga ipompelo twadi kwa kama izudinde nemu chipompelo cha mishina na kuluwangesha Bible hela ntwana na goshina akamishina na kuluwangesha amtatera kunkata wanyi mulonga nzambo ruka mission wanyi hela muntu kutena Catholic chatera kunkata wanyi mulo Catholic ishina danga debumba dina kutena nao Catholic inzamu akamanga yumanyi izudindi anakulondera izudindi diyantu anakutia kuwa dishinei akutenda na aka-mission era aka-Catholic amini kutia kutama chinaburi kunulungulukira mulonga ijina dadeni datera kundisha mgutama wanyi cha nadi kutia kutama ne akunchukira Yesu wa mwanga mwinini wamfutere mulonga wamu wanshirikunga ukulusi langa nena kutena ijina ho chidisemwe mweu ijina dima kumane anyotoka dini ijina yanzambua diruka kuyuru ina himani dichikela anchwana kutia kutamanawa mwani wana na kuoshanga ipompero awe nana kupopolo ipompero kufira kwa midi kweni kutushaka menu mukakatorika mukamishini mukanyi chuwaneni mukanda unashimu ni na eya wene usompi kwesikana mukanda ina yuma idu mu-Catholic ina yuma idu mu-mission china kuitangisha chaladi muna mukanda tahinde nena wani muna iyuma ina kutangisha udi muwa nyintanga yami mazu ya dihi awa unsa huyo nata mishi
that
nata mishi
just like that or that you are judging yourself you think what you're doing is right
kwesikana mukanda isawa mukanda nao ileno for example tali la umani mukanda na shimuni nao anamazi mwahana chakulomba chimukulomba oshenenu tate chwekala munga ilange chwana kuchitangisha nao chilombi nechu mama Maria akuna kulomba kwa kudiza amini kuna do you know much about Mary? Yes, I've studied. How do you know about we Mary? Can have a conversation on this, no problem. I know Mary was a favored woman, was favored by God, like Noah was also favored in the book of Genesis. Amwekeshere duwi kulonda chamu ino avari kiri kudechu ejima. Ilanga Maria hamurengeri Yesu. Yesu de warengeri nyi Maria.
But are you sure that Mary is the mother of Jesus?
Yes.
Mother of Jesus.
Physically, yes.
Physically,
Ilanga mama yanzambuku. Ilanga mama yanzambuku.
Who is the mother of God? Who is the mother of Jesus?
Longa nzambi hakweti mama yenduku.
That wenjile tatano. Who is here that physically that here physically?
Yesu ijina da Yesu anuken.
Yesu what was the mother that are you sure that Jesus was born?
Yes, Jesus was born.
And
kwa vari kiri kudi Maria na Yosefu.
Yosefu. Are you sure?
Dimu tatu.
The way it were born,
Dimu mani.
God. Is Jesus God or not God?
Yeah, naitikwa.
Is Jesus God or not God?
Yesu inzambi dimu tatu.
Inzambi kuna
ilanga Yesu.
Wait. Just that chuli kumani. Tata nenzambi tata chalala nzambi tata you wana tata wa kula kuri nzambi tata kuri amichambi zambi amkuchukula Yesu pin. Ne tuwoshina amuka nchukula Yesu offset ye. Amini kutia kala muntu amnatia goma chambi kuri inzambi uko chukula Yesu pin. Ka Yesu tata kumusema tata kuri muntu. Dichona muntu tata or muntu semi Yesu tata kuri tata muntu. You can't respect muntu.
Mwani
question.
Nachikwa.
Just a question that. Can you respect or muntu wasema na zamtandi on kwa mkonkula kuri?
Nasakiri mwani. Kulemesha Maria wewe mwecho mulemesha.
Mulemesha. How do you respect her? How do you respect her?
Izudini kuzati shedi hadi chambua katika kulemesha na kuvumbika.
Explain this.
There is honoring and also respecting. Or we can say respecting and glorifying.
Okay.
Amen.
So how do you
wanzambi anachukanishi kulemesha ila kuila glorify muntu wa maseki.
But first what? How do you respect her? How do you respect her?
Nasaki that. Amani muna amweni nasakira nganzambi na mwazati shiri Maria kulonda chamwe na vari kiriku.
Chamwe nini?
Yesu Kristo.
Inzambi.
Amen.
Inzambi.
Yesu Kristo hinzambi ndiye mwani. Chudi hamwani. Ilanga munsenderi muna msendu Maria na kumunyamu na kudanchu ama kwao amwekani neyi wa badika Yesu Kristo kila wazatanga kumudimu.
Who are those people?
Akatolika mwani.
Very good. Catholic. Very
good. Kulua. Mlonga mneolanga nami. Kuiji hakachika Maria na Yesu wale ngeri mkwahi.
That the question said yourself.
Ama namneo nakola mwana neno akwe. Hakachika Yesu na Maria wale ngeri mkwahi. Inzambi.
God.
Kuiji hakachika Yesu na Maria wale ngeri mkwahi.
I'm saying God.
God inyi Inzambi nyuma kutena.
Jesus. God is Jesus.
Yesu amulengeri Maria ndi. Yesu amulengeri Maria taindi.
It's God who made Maria. Jesus ndio ulengeri Maria.
Nasakiri.
Good.
Dichine Yesu ndio amulengeri Maria. Twatera kulemesha umuyoda akashikaho. Inyo badika mkwao. Kuno badika mkwao ndi.
It's God that God. It's God.
Okay. Tashwa imani.
But that first you ask yourself, walimusha Maria how do you respect him?
Mina mvumbikana munjira kutena nechi navumbikana nene mudamvali talina kuitena mta
okay
mulomuna mvadi
tata okay so
mulomuna mvadi
okay, wait, sir, can you call Mary your mother?
I can't call Mary mother. Mulonga Maria tena mama mukanda wa zamana tuleshi kumtena Maria na mama wa ntata in legend ku verse ya shimno now makamteni Maria nenu mama
okay.
Maria ko verse mukanda wa zamana
tata one I think tata you are a man of God. Tata watanga Bible that Yesu tata Yesu hakufa cross that cross net hakufa cross hakushasha makuna achumba ndimo tata ni mama ni mari kwa dingi ndi
wadiko
woshi ndinga cross Yesu kumuhana kuna kuchumba woshi jini woshi ndinga
wamani ndachumba sheje mawani
okay
wamani ndikuri kambanje
woshi ndinga nini nini
tala ku mama yeyo
very good. What are that? Listen. That's why. Wait. Just wait. Tala kuhinyi
mama yeyo.
So meaning mama yawan.
Yohani talemani umama una kutena hii mwanta Yesu hana kutena umama una kutena mkatolika chani ana kutena
you see that's how Bible but now say that one of that don't take this Bible literally, meaning that
we need to take the Bible literally where we have to.
No. Wait,
that symbolically where we have.
Meaning that as you give the picture of the Good Samaritan, that's what it is that the Bible means. Meaning that yes, kuhana ona mama yen or mama yanefa kakwiti that you and me that is our mother. That's what the woman Jesus came there. So don't deny that.
Chaoshi mwandesi nindi Yohani msendi mama yeyo muhembe. Mlona msende na kumuhemba. Ndi mwana. Okay. Mwandesi wa mwana wade mukanda wa Nzambi era munyikanje nasone ki Petro, Paulo, mulonga dira mweni mwanta Yesu. Mwana wade munasone kuna kushimula nawo lombeni kuti Maria.
What?
Munyikanda inasone kwa apostol.
Tata.
Listen,
Tata. We don't pray. There's no way to praise to Mary.
No one prays to Mary. No one prays to Mary.
No, don't pray to Mary.
Chantoma.
Tata, listen, Tata here. Tata. Tata, what do you question, Tata? We do like that. We said,
yeah, man.
Mary becomes like now as an intercessor.
Talenu kuluwa kwa Katolika. Kuluwa kwa wanchama vululelu akenga kushimuna mwaya itonjo kayao hi akenga kushimuna mwaya izudan zambuku. Talenu hanu mudumweni mumukando wa Aheberu chapter 7 na verse ya 25 hinyu dina kuchulembela kuti nzambi anasongi na udichiyena na atweshi kwa mwina chikupu antru akundamanga kwa kuhina nzambi na yena na nichi cha handa yena hayanyaka na kuilembelela hinyu wa handa hayanyaka na kuchulembela kuti nzambi necho na wafuiri na kusaunga mkufodi di mwanta wetu Yesu Kristu bai Mariako ilangu wena mbalumu na dem Maria ekari ihaku dao nimu mkanda wa Roma chapter 8 anachwinka usawo verse 34 now akwa Kristo akuihisha kudinyi yomweni Kristo Yesu di wafuiri enga chalala di asangwiru muri afu di wekala kuchikasa chanzamu tachididu di wachulembelelanga nawa di wachulembelelanga nawa anasongi na Maria di wachulembelanga kudinzambi hela mkurumpo chipomperu di wachulembelanga kudinzambi nehi
we do like that. We said
yeah,
Mary becomes like now as an intercessor.
Kristo Yesu di wachulembelanga kudinzambi di wahishanga tunaona nyilonga hakubula kumukwelela dichine yakudima demu chipompe nayo watera kulemesha Maria watera kuloma kudi Maria mama rema mayanzambo wenda uchulembelera itwakashidika tataka nefunda kufa kwetu amen anakudimi Maria na mteni mukana zambu ikara intercessor hera mukakulembelera nchuko Kristo Yesu di intercessor wetu dimko kuchulembelera kudinzambi.
Okay. We listen that as intercessor. We said that because that honor him mama yamba ya nzambi tata ocho. Hail Mary, Satan, Hail Mary, full of grace.
Amen.
Hail Mary, full of grace. The Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is your fruit.
Amen.
That's from him that Kangela question that question hana. Kuleja anchu echu now. Blessed is this woman, this one. Among the women, among no woman is blessed that you.
Amen.
And blessed your fruit of your womb. Mukaba mvumudeyi.
Amen.
Hakaikisha mwantat. This show honor that as an intercessor. Even that they read the feast that they came there. They came the next angel kuna. Kuinza kuna now yika amundi nindi. An angel could Mary. Did they go to Jesus? They came to Mary. Very good. hakumulesha mwana ngana nindi wetu kuna hakutata indimu tata ona izinzi mama yambala yanza mama yetu
mama yanzambuko inzamba kwetu mama yindi kutata Yesu chumumwene nga munjira jiyedi muonzambi ni muunju
very good
chauteka na mwana Yesu kuonchu deka ili mwana kanyi Maria na Yosef ilanga kuonzambi yekalili
yes ndi mutata it's true there
mwana dichinga twambulengi yuma mulonga ina kulwange shantanga jetu
dishitata echurumwe are we both spiritual and physically
no
are we both physical and spiritually you and me
we are
good
mwana dichitie mwana nei mukanda na shimuni nao Maria wekalili mama ya Yesu kumujimba echubombela kuno ku spirit ne kwijiyena ne kalidehi mama ya nzambi tunalwange shwani bronga nzambi akwetu mama yinduko
yes
nzambi kadilengi Yesu ikadilengi ngana mama yindi hinzambi
but
kilanga kumujimba akufira kuchamwina etu yena kuchibaru cha umuntu hakuikala chamwini unavari kidi kudi Maria tale mwana kudi mpinjimu kudi mama kudi ombanda wabidi kidi mugashika wantu nindi oma yera kwa mushiri elanga hi akoreka wafire kuremeshanyi ana mayera amunini yes di Maria mwandeso wakwiri nindi wakwiri nindi nukwileja nami anasongita naudi to read I say that now ninda nasone kina nini kwileja nami muntu kutia izuda nzambi na kwilamo na koreki mwa utiyo kwa kula chibudi ona muntu na kufira kuremeshanyi Maria ila ina nindidi ona ukunkuwele lani ukutia mazina kuosha na ukuwele na abadiki inyi ona kufira kuremesha dichami no kongo mwena ntanga jambe nzambia nami nga weji mwechuneri kinechu Maria wadinga muntu wakoreka
yes
ilanga baichu mubalumuni na kumusendere muna musendere na kumuumba nkishi na kumusenda munshingu na utashika kulomba kudiyena mulonga taleni mwana ne atu utashika kulomba nami ijina dambala tata musokola uchimaleja mwana tata musokola na lombi mwana nami munkwashi kumkananga ina kulomba kudena chochi mnakuna kulomba nechu mama Maria kuna kulomba we are addressing our prayer to Mary. We are addressing our prayer to Mary, but the Bible does not teach us to address our prayers to people who have died. The Bible has commanded us to pray to God direct.
Do you know did Mary die?
Mary is dead. Mukanda wanzamu mwana nasone mukanda wa Heberu nao. Nao muntu weji mana mfuko ili ufakamu. Nkumi na kukwira ngahi. Ikusompesha.
Ona tate wasendele
huko. Omazi mwana kara Bible.
Very good.
Omazi kara Bible inaye. Bro mukanda zamuna muntu weji mwana vari kama seki.
Very good.
Chinga afwa. Nkumi na kukwira ngahi. Ikusompesha.
Dimutata.
Dichi emwani kudinancho amakwawo adineyi anachoje mukanda wanzambi udineyi umukolo mpi iwenje kudi mwante suna ufungu hinyi Nicodemus hakufoka mwante suna wamweke necho hakuenzana kumujika hamuna hanyi na Yosefu wako alamatia kuishi umukanda anachoje kwa mujikiriru Yosefu anachoje kwa mujikiriru Nicodemus Dikushimuna msendele mwuru ni yena.
It's true.
Dikushimuna isendele mwena mwuru. Haka imwani. Ila chunengu netu afwa. Mlonga mkanda wanzambi na mtureji machinga afwa. Aneji masendele mwuru chakubula kufadine Elija. Anachureji wa msendele. Aneji mana abulu kuchureji wa dikushimuna yeranga hii. Afwa ni mwani tata mchinga. Ilanga chinga chulo mbiku dinzambia mweni ndiku londa achuti kuitila mdi mwani ndiye Yesu Kristu. Ndi amia minjila. Ni walala. Ni womi. Kwa simu nchini mwoko inzako denye kudita atachina hadami.
Chwale numa zuku matunge jima chwale nu o chwale nu sangu yaku kenga kwa mwanta Yesu chwalenu o chwalenu o chwalenu masuku matunga ejima aeseki mutena Meseki